Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello, family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In this episode, we dive into the inspiring story of Farmer Reid, a Jamaican goat farmer whose life embodies resilience and hard work. Today, we're going to discover how he turned his challenges into triumphs and why his goats are more than just livestock. They're a symbol of his dedication and determination. Good morning, Mr. Reid.
Good morning, miss.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. You've been a pensioner, you were telling me, and you kind of raise goat to subsidize your income,
Yeah.
to make up your income. How long you been raising goats?
Well, it's about from 2017.
From 2017.
Yeah.
About how many goats do you have?
Roughly about a dozen right now.
About a dozen. Okay. And you sell the goats live or you kill them?
I generally sell them live.
Okay.
If I want to eat myself, I will just. But I generally sell like the ram goat, because to a raising, I don't really sell the sheep too much. So I sell the ram goat.
You sell the ram goat, okay. So if people want to reach out to buy your goats, Mr. Reid, how would they get to you?
Well, they would have to call this number, 3400495.
3400495 and ask for Mr. Reid. All right. But the persons who buy the goats, who are those persons who usually buy from you?
Sometimes it will be butcher man, sometimes somebody want one to eat, sometimes somebody making a function want one to,
Right. And they just, all right. All right, Mr. Reid, thank you very much. You have a big, this is your land that they're grazing on?
Yeah, not really my land, but I can graze here for the time.
Okay, okay.
We generally graze now, it's full of water because the rain come so much water.
Yes.
Yeah man, that's why you have to kind of itch up on the edge now, you can't go in the deep.
Yes. All right, Mr. Reid. Until next time, guys. Ciao.